Once you're logged in, you can go to the admin and parameters, and that'll bring up this screen. To add a new parameter, which is usually program based, you would do so here and then put in a value. Some existing parameters are like how to title the systems. So for example, theater management, wherever this parameter title is used, which is on almost every screen, it'll put in theater management. For the return email, on the email system under campaigns, it'll put whatever email you enter in there. If you're testing a letter or something like that that's going to go off in email, you probably want to use the send email and set it to off. This will prevent the system from sending email out. When you first log into the system, you'll get a welcome message. This is where you can put that. Notice that it's in HTML, so you'll need to put HTML as the language to use. Email debugging just tells about what it's doing. I usually leave it off. The organization, for example in this one, is Flint Community Players. That's what sets this. And then the status options are part of the task. You can add or remove those options.